This screencast will review commonly used academic terms at Miami University. Class standing is a student's year in college depending on the number of credits earned. A first-year student is a student who has 0 to 29 earned credit hours and a sophomore 30 to 63 earned credit hours. Students who have 64 to 95 earned credit hours are known as juniors. Students with 96 or more credit hours are referred to as seniors. A credit hour is a unit of measurement for time spent in the classroom. 1 credit hour is 55 minutes of class time per week. Most classes at Miami University are 3 credit hours. A full-time student is a student who enrolls in at least 12 credit hours during the fall or spring semester. Enrolling in fewer than 12 credit hours during the fall or spring semesters would mean that the student is a part-time student. In other words, they are not going to school full-time. Students with specific financial aid, scholarships, or with a visa must be full-time students. The academic calendar is a calendar that notes important dates and deadlines. The academic calendar shows when classes start and end. It also notes other vacations or breaks during the academic year. Note that the dates on the academic calendar can change each semester. Go to miamioh.edu/events/academic-calendar for more information. To drop a course is to remove a course after registration. If a student wants to drop a course without the course showing in their academic history, the student must drop the class by the drop date noted on the academic calendar. If a student continues attending class after the noted drop date, the class will show on the student's academic record. If a student attends the class after the drop deadline, but later decides that they no longer wish to continue with the course, a student can withdraw from the course by the withdrawal date or W deadline. Withdrawing from a course means that you stop attending the course. A W will appear on the student's academic record. This grade is not included in a student's grade point average, and the student does not earn credit for the course. If a student remains in a course after the W deadline, the student will keep the grade they earned in the course. It is a good idea for students to meet with their academic advisor if they are considering dropping or withdrawing from a course. A Miami student can elect to repeat 2 courses where the earned final grade is a C- or lower. Once a student applies to use the repeat policy, the lowest grade can be factored out of the GPA calculation but not removed from the record. A credit, no credit course is a course that is taken for credit instead of for a letter grade. Credit, no credit courses are sometimes called pass-fail courses. Please note that some areas require students to take classes for a letter grade. For example, all major and minor courses must be taken for a letter grade. Only 10% of Miami credit can be taken as credit, no credit. An academic advisor is a professional at Miami University who provides educational and degree completion guidance. Academic advisors can be full-time professional academic advisors or faculty members who teach classes and also serve as academic advisors. Academic advisors can answer questions, help connect students to resources, and assist with student success. Students should meet with their academic advisor every semester to discuss opportunities to improve and expand their educational experience at Miami University. This concludes the academic terminology screencast. Thank you for watching.